Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send voice messages on Bumble using a phone. Voice messages are a fun way to make conversation more personal and express yourself better. Let's get started. First, open the Bumble app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap the chat icon. This will show all your messages and conversation. Tap on the match you want to message. This opens the chat screen. At the bottom of the chat, next to the text box, you will see a microphone icon. This is for sending voice message. Tap and hold the microphone icon to start recording. Speak your message clearly while holding the button. Release the microphone icon to send your message automatically. If you make mistakes while recording, slide your finger away from the button to cancel. Your match will receive your voice message and can listen to it. You can reply with a voice message, text, or emoji, and that's it. Now you know how to use voice message on Bumble using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.